Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best drawing tablet under 100 you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best drawing tablet under 100 on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which drawing tablet under 100 are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Wacom Intuos drawing tablet. As the best budget drawing tablet, the Wacom Intuos is ideal for artists and photographers looking for a quality tablet at an affordable price. Build quality, durability and reliability of Wacoms are second to none, unlike some of the more budget manufacturers, and a tablet like the Intuos will last for years without needing to be replaced or fixed. It has graphic drawing tablet with 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, gives you control and precision when drawing, painting and photo editing in nearly any software program. It's compatible with Mac OS and PC Windows 7 and above, Chromebook which devices running the latest Chrome OS, and Android smartphones or tablets OS version 6.0 or later. Connect to your computer via Bluetooth or USB-A. Some devices require USB-C or OTG adapters. Wacom Intuos comes with 3-month trials of EdTech software for teachers. Register your tablet to receive Kami app, Explain Everything, Pear Deck, Limnu, and Collabboard. For details, let's watch more. Our second best drawing tablet under 100 is Huion Inspiroi H640p graphics drawing tablet. You should consider the H640p to be the cheapest Huion tablet that still offers everything you need when starting out in drawing or photo editing, and that will last you a decent period of time. The battery-free pen gives over 8K levels of pen pressure sensitivity. If you wanted to use a tablet with your Android device, then the H640p is your best option, as it is able to connect with an additional OTG cable. Huion H640p is only half a pound in weight and 0.3 inches in thickness. Its slim and light design allows you to take it anywhere like classroom, business trip, etc. With 6x4 inch perfect drawing area, it is perfect for limited desktop areas and gives more space to create. With 4 customizable express keys on the tablet and 2 buttons on the pen, you are able to program for your favorite keyboard shortcuts, like pan/scroll, undo, eraser, etc. Optimize your workflow with just a simple press at your finger. Simply connect this pen tablet to your Mac or PC via USB cable, install Huion driver and you are ready to start creation. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is XP Pen Deco 001 V2 Drawing Tablet. The XP Pen Deco 01 drawing tablet is good for you if you're looking forward to polish your drawing skills. The tablet is one of the best when it comes to pressure sensitivity and other features. The pen can detect pressure sensitivity to up to 8192 levels, which is a perfect feature for drawing lines of various widths. The Deco 01 V2 graphics drawing tablet features 8 round, customizable express keys that fit easily to your fingertips. With its blind spot reduction design, you can find the position of your express keys efficiently, and the shortcut keys can be programmed to many different software programs. Supports up to 60 degrees of tilt brush effect and deliver smoother and more natural lines and strokes, while also giving you the ability to add shading to your creation and offering a more natural writing and drawing experience. Ideal tool for online teaching and web conference, simultaneous digital inking with an XP Pen drawing tablet. It's compatible with Microsoft Office apps like Word, PowerPoint, OneNote, Zoom, XSplit, etc. Works perfect than a mouse. Visually present your handwritten notes, signatures precisely. For details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our site is XP Pen Starg 640 Drawing Tablet. XP Pen are well known for making quality products for the budget end of the market. XP Pen Starg 640 Graphics Drawing Tablet is only 2 mm thin, with its 6x4 inch active area for drawing and e-learning or remote teaching. The Starg 640 is designed to fit your drawing and online teaching, web conference usage. The PN01 battery-free pen with 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity provides a natural drawing experience. Works just like a real pen, no battery and no charging required. One-click toggle allows you to switch the function between pen and eraser constantly. The Starg 640 drawing tablet is easy to carry. You can take it anywhere you want, like at home, classroom, etc. Plug and play, make your e-learning and creativity couldn't be easier. It's such a durable and powerful drawing tablet. XP Pen G640 Graphics Tablet is an ideal drawing tablet for beginners. We are dedicated to providing state-of-the-art digital tablets with all the latest technology, keep research and innovate new ways to improve the user experience of our products. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best drawing tablet under 100 list is VEEC A30 V2 Drawing Tablet. The VEEC A30 Drawing Tablet offers a large and clear active area for drawing. The pen is battery-free and offers 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, which gives you good control over painting, drawing, or editing. There are 4 customizable shortcut keys that make workflow smoother and faster. The thickness of A30 Drawing Tablet is only 9 mm and it is only 570 grams. You can take it and start your artwork anywhere. The A30 Graphics Drawing Tablet provides 10 by 6 inch ultra-large active area, which provides you more space for drawing. VEEC V01 battery-free passive pen, no battery and no charging required, allowing for constant uninterrupted draw and play. It provides at most 8192 levels pen pressure to provide exquisite strokes. VEEC A30 Digital Drawing Tablet can not only be connected with computer, but also with your mobile phone. It is compatible with Android 6.0 or later except Samsung, Mac 10.12 or above and Win 10 or 8 or 7. A30 Art Tablet is also compatible with major software, such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Sci, Corel Painter, Comic Studio, Medibang Paint, PaintStorm Studio, Clip Studio, Krita, etc. For details, let's watch more.